Hi, I'm AJ. I'm a startup founder and I work in the marketing and education space. I'd give Ideanote actually a 5 out of 5. So I use Ideanote to replace a collection of other pieces of software and kind of manual work that I've been historically using. So over email and phone calls, using spreadsheets, I was trying to develop a way to gather input from my team and some customers, but Ideanote seems to seamlessly do all of those jobs in one fairly convenient and kind of easy to use platform. The thing that drew me to Ideanote is it has a really simple and elegant UX and UI. So the whole experience as a user was simple, and that really helped with a quick adoption, and it's just actually an easy experience for myself and for my team. Adoption for Ideanote was much easier than many other types of software programs that I utilize. So any type of new tool has some sort of onboarding, but for Ideanote, it was just so simple and to the point and intuitive that none of my team had any problem using it. And in fact, it's actually kind of enjoyable to use because it's such a clean and pretty interface. My advice for anyone thinking about Ideanote is to jump in and use it, but any tool that you're hoping will help to build innovation and creativity in your team, I think actually starts with the attitude of the founder and the person who's introducing this platform. The platform itself will do perfectly well, everyone will get it, but it will really start with you evangelizing the importance for innovation more broadly in your company or in your business.